says, please do not touch the gumballs. Why are they there then?
Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
Smash, smash, hold on. Smash, 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 smash.
Do you say Black Lives Matter?
How are you doing today, Jasmine? But you did this for what? Why not? Why? Why not? Why though?
Hey, breathe, breathe. Don't tell me to breathe. I can't be. Yo, bring me a shot. Bring me a shot. Congratulations! Oh my God.
Ah! What the fuck?
Girl, shut the fuck up. You thought you ate that?
This bitch.
I'm having a fucking panic attack right now. I need to calm the fuck down because I'm having a panic attack right now.
But this is a real find.
Just buy it. You don't have to rationalize everything.
All right, I will buy it. It'll be good for the economy.
Sir? 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 Are you there?
I said it again. Hey, what we is? For lifer.
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them, but nothing seems to stay the same. Woke up in the morning, doing my hair, makeup, getting my clothes on. What does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean?
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
I want waffle fries.
Ladies, may we get a word?
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke ass.
Huh? What? Oh. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, her.
Here for number 12.
I got 18.
I got 9.5.
I got Abraham Lincoln for some reason. I don't.
Give me a beat.